Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to download Discord app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to our video. We're gonna start by opening up your Apple Store on your phone device. Once you open up your Apple Store, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on the upper where we're gonna see the search icon right there. Tap on that. Then make sure you tap Discord. Tap on that right there. And make sure you scroll a little bit down until you find this right here, Discord. Then make sure you look on the right there where you see the cloud icon and the arrow pointing down. Just tap on that. Then you can start downloading. And that's a download Discord app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.